There is no polite way to say that business is destroying our world. Paul Hawken wrote those words in 1993. The statement lacks nuance, but it's true more than 25 years later that business firms still are destroying our climate. They collectively spew many gigatons of greenhouse gases into the air every year. Most are not doing this intentionally. Instead, they are following an apolitical, amoral view of doing business that assumes that some other institution, usually the government, will handle the problem. Milton Friedman expressed this view in his infamous assertion that the responsibility of business is only to increase its profits. Even worse is the so-called philosophy of Ayn Rand, who celebrates pure selfishness. Instead, business should recall an old saying: if you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Some business firms are becoming part of the solution, making progress in solar and wind power, in battery technology, carbon capture, and in efficient design. Some investment firms are directing capital to green companies and projects. But business should do more. Business should embrace what has been called corporate political responsibility. Climate-destroying companies have not been bashful about their political involvement. Look at ExxonMobil. Look at the Koch brothers. Look at Fox News, where a recent study found 86% of their segments on climate denied the science. But where is business on the other side? Where are the pro-climate businesses when it comes to politics? Businesses cannot remain neutral, gazing only at their own carbon footprints, when the climate destroyers are not only politically active, they are winning. One recent positive example: 4 car companies, Ford, BMW, Honda, and Volkswagen, are defying the federal rollback of fuel efficiency standards. They negotiated with California to follow their stricter standards instead. We need more business bravery like this. We need corporate political responsibility in the face of climate destruction. Businesses that get it on climate must also get political. Thank you.